Hello everyone, welcome to another lecture. In today's video, we are going to learn how to work with the sort function or method. So this function or method sorts the list in ascending order or descending order depending on how we work with it. So we would like to write a program to sort the list banana, cherry, and apple. So here is my list declared and initialized. It is called fruits. It has three elements, banana, cherry, and apple. And first of all, we would like to sort this list based on ascending order. To do that, I just type down the name of the list, then dot sort and parentheses, empty parentheses. So when I now print out the fruit list here in the output, so when I run this code, I see apple, banana, and cherry. So apple comes with an A, and then banana with a B, and cherry with a C. However, originally the list was banana, cherry, and apple. Now it is in the ascending order, alphabetical order. How we did that? We simply just used the sort function to do this job for us, and after that we printed out the fruit list. But we can also do it in the descending order. How to do that? We simply again type down the name of the list and then dot sort. However, this time in parentheses we type down this keyword reverse equal true. This code is going to sort the list for us in the descending order. And after that, I'm printing out the fruit list one more time. And now when I print out the fruit list after the last modification in sorting the list in descending order, we see out in the output we have cherry, banana, and apple. Now it started from C and then B and then A, so it's in descending order. So in this video, we learned how to sort a list in ascending order and also in descending order. But just one point that we need to be careful about and keep in mind is that when we are willing to uh, sort our list in ascending order, we simply type down the list name dot sort and empty parentheses. However, when we want to do it in descending order, we type down the name of the list dot sort and then in parentheses we type down reverse equal true. So this is all we need to do. Everything else is taken care of. Thank you for watching.